Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Are you popping? Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I'm coming here to do an introduction to this beautiful braid that we did in the studio. This braid is so beautiful. We use Nala trays from Janet collection, okay? Janet collection Nala trays. Pre-section, as you can see, so it's pre-section for chunky braids, okay? So you don't need to section if you have this, okay? All you need to do is to pull one out like so and use it to braid. As you can tell, it's pre-section. They have a lot of pre-section hair. So this one is for chunky braid. They have one that I used in my previous video. That one is a little bit smaller. So depending on the kind of look you're going for, you get a pre-stretch according to the size of the braids that you want to get, okay? So I'm going to put the link to Janet collection Nala trays in the description box. Also, I want to share with you guys this edge control that we have been loving, okay? It's sleek and slay, okay? We're also going to put the link to this edge control in the description box, okay? You guys, it's so beautiful. We haven't started using this big one. They have different sizes. We have all the sizes, and that's the one we'll be using. We've not started using this big one. But this gel is beautiful, okay? Not only is it a gel, okay, it moisturizes as well. It balances the hair pH, okay? It's pH balance, okay? So it's what? Braid and edge control. Ultra Supreme Hold, okay? Great for braiding hair, locks, twists, edge control, styling aid, no build up, flake free, condition the scalp, promote hair growth, fast drying, okay? It dries fast as well, okay? I'm also going to put the link. As you can see, it dries fast. There's no flake. It's like a, you know, a moisturizer, and it's good for natural hair more especially, yeah. So yeah, all the links to everything we use in this video, Nala trays and this sleek and slay. So you can get any size that you want. You can get a bigger one, you can get a medium, you can get a very small one, okay? Please support me. Please support me. Please like my video. Please comment so you can encourage us to make more videos, okay? These videos are not easy to film, to edit. Also check Janet collection as well. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. And now enjoy this beautiful video. See you soon.